All right. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can vertical live stream and also at the same time horizontal live stream at the same time. So you do the two together, the vertical and the horizontal. The vertical is going to show up on the YouTube short and the horizontal is going to show up on the proper space. So let's dive right into the video. If you have not watched my video on how to create a vertical live stream only, you need to go and watch it, and then also watch this one also. It's just right here. You can just pick it from there and just watch that, and then let's dive right into the video. So first thing first, you must have your OBS and you must have the item plugin for OBS. So I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video for you to pick up your item plugin. Just click on the link. The plugin will start downloading immediately. So all right, the first thing you would like to do is when you have your item already on the vertical live stream, then you have your horizontal automatically on OBS. You just click on the add. At least you want to add your sources. Put in your video capture device. So I already have video capture device 2. So just click OK because I've connected my cam link already to my camera. Your cam link, whatever you are using as your, you can also use NDI, you can also use your NDI. So it's in, then click OK because what is coming in is 4K and the OBS is actually 100. You need to fit it to screen. So now that it's fit to screen, this is it. Now you want to also add a source, a video source to your vertical. So you come to vertical sources here, you click on plus. We don't need to add a new one, just use the one that you are using. So we're using video capture device 2. Just click on it, then fit it to the space you want to fit it to. So we now have the horizontal and the vertical. We have the horizontal and the vertical. Now for you to add your sound, please don't add sound to the vertical sources. Put your sound, whatever sound you want to use, put it in the main sources, that is the horizontal sources. So I'm going to add my sound. Now if you see you see that the sound is coming from my video capture device. That's my camera sound. So I want to put it off. I don't like that sound. I want to put it off. Apart from if you are using probably a mic, if you're using a mic that is attached to your camera. So there's a review of this on my channel, so you can also go check it out to see if this is good for you. So now you come, I need to turn this off. I'll turn this off, then come to this add sources. Then I want to add my audio input capture, Rode mic. I already have it here, so this is the Rode mic I'm using. Add existing Rode mic, click on OK. So now that I have that, I'm very sure now you see the sound is popping. So to show you that the sound is coming in, the same sound goes for this and for this. It goes for the horizontal and the vertical at the same time. All right, now that this is set, all you now need to do is go to your YouTube page and create those live stream. You want to create 2 live stream. One is going to be vertical, one is going to be horizontal. So schedule, testing vertical live stream, just reuse the vertical live stream, and next, anytime, just set your time. Make sure it's unlisted. Make sure it is unlisted. So I will need to duplicate this page so that I can create the second live stream. Duplicate. So now that the page is duplicated, all I need from here is I want to create the one for the horizontal live stream. This is the vertical. So let's schedule another one. I think I have double streaming. So reuse settings. So create double streaming, testing horizontal live stream. So you put your thumbnail, blah and make sure it is unlisted. Make sure it is unlisted. Next, unlisted, your time and everything. Okay, which one do we go live first? I think we should go live on the horizontal first. Let's go live on the horizontal first. This is the double, this is the horizontal. So you copy your stream key, you come to OBS, and go to your settings. Then you go to stream, use stream key. So just delete this stream key and paste a new one that you have just copied. Apply, click OK. The next thing you want to do is after clicking OK, then your vertical live stream is set, and that can go live. But then before we go live, let's copy our horizontal the vertical live stream key. It has to be different. So if you want to create another one, just come here, click on it. It's going to change the stream key, so you can create a new stream key. If you want to change your vertical live stream, you can change it from here. All right, now that we have copied this, we'll copy this, then we'll go to our OBS. From OBS, you come here, vertical settings, click on settings, you go to your streaming, then you paste vertical set. So you paste the new stream key and make sure you enable it. Whatever you are using to stream, click on enabled so that you can start streaming. Then you click OK. I think this should be around 2500 video rate. So that's that. Okay. You click on OK. Now these two streams, they are ready to go out, and the Rode mic is what is powering it. Okay, so let's stream the horizontal first. Just click on start streaming. Let's go to our horizontal page and see what comes up there. This is the horizontal page. Let's see what comes up. Good. You see, we are live now. On the double streaming. Let me check with my mic and see if it is actually bringing the sound. Okay, just want to be sure. All right, okay, the sound is coming up, and everything is just crisp and clear. Okay, now the next thing is we want to start our vertical live stream. We have copied it, we have set everything, then we just come here and just click on start all vertical output. Start, you see what happens here. Start to load, and then should go live. It takes a little bit longer than the horizontal to show up here, but in a moment it should show up. Okay, good. It's up now. So now I would like to show you this. Let me just copy the streaming link. I'd like to show it to you how it's going to appear on the phone. I'm going to show you how it's going to appear on the phone. All right, so if you can see clearly, this is what it's going to look like. This is the vertical live stream. And that's exactly what. So now the vertical live stream is actually going to show on the space as a shot. So of course you can swipe. It's going to show you other live stream. Swipe, show you other short live stream. I think ours is here. So you see that's how it works. Sorry, apologies for my autofocus, but this is it. Did you get it? Okay. So that's how it works. So currently now we have two live stream, the vertical and the horizontal, and so you can just get going, and it's really going to be beautiful using the two together depending on what you want to use it for. I want to believe that when you're using your vertical live stream to show you to people who did not subscribe to your channel more, because the reason is because YouTube vertical just started. about 3 months ago, and then there are few persons who are taking the advantage of the YouTube Shorts vertical live stream, just like you stream on TikTok. So now that you are part of the first set of people that are getting to know it, then you could be able to get some subscribers who will just, they are swiping, they are swiping, they are swiping, they are swiping, and they just found you. They just found you. They just found you. So that's how it works. All right, I believe you have gained one or two things. The link to the item will be in the description of the video, and you can get other videos on this channel on my review of the DJI mic, that I use for my streaming. This video is not sponsored, I just use it. And there are more reviews that will be coming on the channel on how to get yourself to do a lot of things on the use of OBS. In my next video, I'll probably be showing you how to stream, how to do multi-stream on vMix. How to do multi-stream on vMix. I'm going to be showing you how that is being done. So this is me saying thank you very much for watching and sticking around. If you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. I released a video on how my YouTube channel was deleted. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. Thank you very much for the support. I'll see you again in my next video. Peace out.